In this video, we'll be showing you how to get the XDJ-AERO to load the first memory cue point of a track. This allows you to set a cue point within rekordbox, which can then be recalled automatically when loading a track on the Aero. The first thing you'll need to do is update your firmware to version 2.0. You can follow our tutorial on how to do that on our PIONEER DJ Global YouTube channel and then continue with the update firmware tutorial. Following that, you need to start off by setting the memory point in rekordbox. Select the track and skip through until you find a point where you would like to set your memory cue. Now, hit the cue button to set your cue point. Then, save it to rekordbox's memory point list by clicking memory. The memory point is now stored. If you haven't accurately set the memory point or you want to change it, you can delete it by pressing the X button. To update the memory points to your device, just re-export the track by right-clicking and then select the device you want. Now you've set the memory point, there's a couple of things you need to do on the Aero. Firstly, you need to set the Aero to choose the first memory point as the cue. To do this, hold down the utility button and scroll to auto cue. Now scroll to the top and select memory. Press the info button to save. Finally, make sure that auto cue is turned on. Simply hold down the auto cue button until the icon appears on screen. Now anytime you load a track, the Aero will automatically queue up this memory point for you. One thing to keep in mind is that the shift feature for returning to the beginning of the track using the cue button will now return you to the first memory cue point.